Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to talk about a new product that is very new to our store and it's made in our store, the Razor Emporium line of shaving soap. So we're starting off by making some in-house shaving soap to cover some of the classic scent profiles that people like you and wet shavers around the world are always asking for and always looking after. So our intention with this line of soap is not to be the new flavor of the week and continue to pump out new and new scents every single week, every month, more and more and more. We're not trying to get into that genre of artisan soap making and constantly doing that. And that's awesome. I'm happy for those vendors who do that. We're trying to create more of a classic line that's going to be in our shop all the time, that has a good price, that's made right here in Phoenix, Arizona. And has really good performance, and we'll probably even start including some of these in our shaving kits as the months go by. But when you open up any of them, the scents are amazing. I've obviously had a big hand in picking these out. So we're starting off with a couple classics. We have Barbershop, a citrus, which we're blending right here. I'm very happy about this one. Lavender and Sandalwood. The citrus I think has been the most popular so far. It's a combination of grapefruit and lemon and orange peel and lime. And very, very happy the way this turned out. The lavender is very lavendery, it's very bright floral smell, and the sandalwood has that classic kind of masculine, woody, aromatic, spicy kind of scent to it. So some of the classics. We may have a couple more that come out as time goes on. So definitely look for other ones, but we want to try to keep this collection pretty skimmed, just to bare basics. And in time, we're actually currently working on developing matching splashes with all these. So they may take the form of a aftershave splash. They may take the form as an aftershave balm. Time will tell. We are developing that right now, and we're hoping to release those soon. But we wanted to get the soap on the market and get people, shaving with it. And I'm really happy to say that the reviews so far and the feedback have been really, really great. People are equating it to, Martin de Condré and other high-end soaps, which we're ecstatic to hear that people even would utter our name in with those great brand names. But these are vegan shaving soaps. They're made with a hot process, again, right here in our Phoenix, Arizona shop. We invested in some equipment. We invested into some research, and we're really happy with the results. It's been an undertaking that if you know me or know Razor Emporium behind the scenes, I've talked about for almost a year now. I said, we're going to be making some soap real soon here. We'll be coming out with soap, and finally we were happy to debut this at the Big Shave Southwest a couple weeks ago, and just really happy with the way it's been turned out. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update and show you some of this brand new in-house made shaving soap we're producing. Thank you for viewing our video today. Thanks for checking out the Emporium. If you'd leave a comment on today's video, if you found it helpful, if you want to try it, or if you have tried it and you want to tell the people how amazing it is, leave a comment and you're entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. Behold in all of its glory. We're happy to have you guys on our channel today. If you're not used to being here, take a look around. It's a pretty cool channel. We got some great videos. Like the video today, share it with your buddies, subscribe to our channel, click that bell to notify you whenever we produce a new video, and we'll see you here at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.